Fine. This is the problem number 17 based on missing character, right? See, let us check out this. So we have solved around 16 problem. This is the 17th one. So what number should replace the question mark? See, now, see, I told you already in the last 16 problems, you have to understand the relation between the numbers here. So here in this case, so let us check out here, right? See, first figure, 6 should come. So if you add, see, 9 plus 4, 13, so 13 minus 5, you will get 13 minus 7, you will get 6. 16 minus 9, 25, 25. So it is not possible to do in that way. So let us check out with this. Let me go with this way. 9 into 4, which is going to be 36. Then root of 36, square root of 36 is 6. Right here, 16 into 9, 16 into 9, which is going to be, so 144. If you take a root, that is going to be 12. Similarly, now I need to get 20, right? See, this is 16 into question mark. This is what the answer is now. Now let us check out. So square on both the side, you will get 16x is equal to 400. So x is equal to 400 by 16, which is going to be, see, 25. The answer is 25 here.